Welcome to my Ninja BL642 Duo Blender review. This powerful device boasts a 1,200 watt motor that easily pulverizes even the toughest ingredients, turning ice into snow and whole fruits and veggies into smooth, nutrient-rich drinks. Equipped with total crushing technology, the Ninja Blender ensures that you don't miss out on any nutrients. Its intelligent Auto-iQ technology takes away the guesswork, combining timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to help you create delicious drinks every time. Plus, with the included 18-ounce, 24-ounce, and 32-ounce to-go cups, you can easily take your creations with you. With a 1,200 watt motor, the BL642 brings some serious blending muscle. This powerhouse can handle even the toughest ingredients, pulverizing ice into snow in seconds. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, shakes, or sauces, you won't find it lacking in strength. Blending tough items like ice or frozen fruits becomes effortless, saving you time and hassle. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to effortlessly break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds. No need to worry about nutrient loss, as it ensures maximum extraction. You can rely on these blades for smooth, well-blended results every time. Enjoy nutrient-packed drinks without bits and chunks that other blenders might leave behind. Auto-iQ provides intelligent blending programs that take the guesswork out of the process. These programs use time pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. You can choose a program, hit a button, and let the machine do its magic. This feature is a boon for those who want consistency and convenience without having to babysit their blender. An XL 72-ounce pitcher makes the BL642 great for gatherings and large families. It can handle big batches, making it easy to prepare drinks for many people at once. Whether it's a family breakfast or a party, you'll have plenty of capacity to go around. The max liquid capacity is 64 ounces, so keep that in mind when filling up. For those constantly on the move, the BL642 includes 3 sizes of to-go cups, 18 ounces, 24 ounces, and 32 ounces, each with convenient spout lids. This feature makes it simple to take your smoothies or shakes on the road. Preparing a nutrient-dense drink in the morning and taking it with you has never been easier. These cups are also dishwasher safe, adding to the convenience. Now let's look at the pros and cons. The 1,200 watt motor packs serious power, effortlessly tackling tough ingredients like nuts and leafy greens. Ice turns to snow in seconds, providing creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. The Pro Extractor blades break down whole fruits, vegetables, seeds, and ice efficiently. You'll benefit from maximum nutrient extraction, ensuring you get all the vitamins and goodness packed into your drinks. The Auto-iQ technology makes blending a breeze. It offers intelligent programs that handle time pulsing, blending, and pausing for you, taking the guesswork out of drink preparation. The large 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making big batches. Think family-sized smoothies or party drinks without needing to make multiple batches. The variety of single-serve cups with spout lids is super convenient. You can easily take your nutrient-packed drinks on the go, whether it's to the office, gym, or school. Cleanup is a snap since all the parts are dishwasher safe. Plus, they are BPA-free, which is an added plus for health-conscious users. On the downside, the blender can be quite loud during operation, which might be a disturbance early in the morning or late at night. The size of the unit might be a problem for those with limited counter space. It's not exactly compact, and the large pitcher can take up significant room in your kitchen. While the Auto-iQ technology is convenient, some users might prefer manual control for more customized blending. The price point might be higher than what you'd want to spend on a blender, especially if you're only going to use it occasionally. The 75 recipe inspiration guide is useful, but not extensive. Advanced users might find it a bit lacking if they are looking for more intricate recipes. Keeping your Ninja Blender spotless is hassle-free. Most parts, including the cups and pitcher, are dishwasher safe. Simply pop them in and you're done. The Pro Extractor blades can also be easily washed, ensuring no lingering residues. For those who prefer hand washing, the BPA-free parts rinse out effortlessly. Using some mild soap and warm water will do the trick. The base unit only needs a quick wipe with a damp cloth to stay clean. Overall, the ease of cleaning makes this blender a practical addition to your kitchen. It saves you time and simplifies your post-blend cleanup routine. Whether you're blending smoothies or sauces, you'll appreciate the quick and straightforward cleanup process. With a powerful 1,200 watt motor, the Ninja BL642 isn't just any blender. It efficiently handles tough ingredients, turning ice into snow for your frozen drinks and smoothies. The total crushing blades ensure that you get the maximum nutrients from your fruits and vegetables. Using Auto-iQ technology, this blender offers intelligent programs that handle the work for you. No more guesswork. Whether you're in a rush or preparing for a family meal, the 72-ounce pitcher lets you blend large batches easily. Plus, the range of to-go cups makes it convenient to enjoy smoothies on the go. Ease of cleaning is another plus, with all parts being dishwasher safe. You also get a 75 recipe inspiration guide to kickstart your culinary adventures. This blender is a versatile and reliable addition to your kitchen.